Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels blow up with just a few simple videos? Channels like this one have gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers and made insane amounts of money without showing their face or spending hours editing. And the best part? The entire process takes less than 2 hours per video. Let me show you exactly how you can do this and start earning from YouTube today. Why this method works so well. Take a look at this channel, 151,000 subscribers. Another one in the same niche is making thousands of dollars with simple animations. What do they all have in common? Stick figure animations. Yep, that's it. Simple stick figures are at the core of their success. And today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a video like this without needing any animation skills. So, let's dive in. Choosing your niche. The beauty of this method is that it works with almost any niche. Motivation, self-improvement, education, storytelling, you name it. Here's a sample of a self-improvement long-form video I created using stick figure animations.
What if the patience you show today is what will lead you to the success you've been waiting for? In a world that glorifies instant success, it's easy to feel frustrated when things take longer than expected. But what if patience is the very thing that separates those who succeed from those who give up too soon? Think of Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC. At the age of 65, with only a small social security check and a dream, he traveled across America pitching his fried chicken recipe. He was rejected over 1,000 times before finally getting a yes. What if he had given up after the first 100 rejections? The world might never have tasted the famous KFC recipe. Every delay, every setback is not a sign to quit, it's a test of how much you truly want it. By staying patient and persistent, you turn waiting into preparation and rejection into redirection. So the next time you feel like success is taking too long, ask yourself, what if I'm just one step away from my breakthrough? Your patience and consistency are what will lead you to everything you've been working for. Stay the course, trust the process, and remember that great things take time. Your story of unwavering patience can inspire others to hold on, knowing that sometimes the best things in life come to those who refuse to quit.
Sounds engaging, right? That's the intro of the video. If you are interested in watching the full video, I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going to create a similar video from scratch. It's a simple and fun process, and if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly how to do it in just 5 easy steps. Choosing the 5 tools you need. We only need 5 tools to make our stick figure video. 1. ChatGPT. We need ChatGPT for script writing. You can as well use other AI tools that you prefer. DeepSeek AI, for example. 2. ElevenLabs. In order to generate high-quality AI-generated voices, we will be using ElevenLabs. Of course, you can use AI voice provider of your choice. 3. Ideogram. We need Ideogram for animation. Ideogram is by far the best AI image generator that supports texts. You will see why we need this as we go along the video. 4. Hailuo AI. We will use this tool to animate our stick figures. Animating our stick figures will help take our video to the next level. But of course you can skip this step if you prefer to use the generated static images. And 5. CapCut. We will use this to put together the final video. Links to these tools are provided in the description of this video. Now, let's break down each of the steps required to create the most engaging stick figure video on YouTube. Step 1. Writing the script using ChatGPT. First, we need a script. For this, I'll use ChatGPT because I found that it generates more unique and engaging scripts if you prompt it well. Here's how to do it. 1. Copy this simple prompt if you want to make similar video, else you can use your own prompts. 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. I tried with both DeepSeek and Qwen. They all provided good results. 3. Generate the script in seconds. The duration varies depending on which AI tool you used. You can ask ChatGPT to extend the story if you need to. As you can see, our script is ready in seconds, and boom, we're ready for the next step. Step 2. Creating the voiceover via ElevenLabs. Next, we need to turn our script into a professional-sounding voiceover. 1. Go to ElevenLabs and choose a casual, natural-sounding voice. 2. Head over to the voice library to find the perfect voice. Select the voice you like that suits your script. 3. Copy and paste your script, then generate the voiceover within minutes. Now that we have the voiceover, let's move to the next part, image generation. Step 3. Generating the images via Ideogram. Now we head to Ideogram AI to generate our high-quality stick figure images. But hold on, Before generating the images, we need to have the image prompts. For this, we need to generate the prompts using ChatGPT. 1. Go back to ChatGPT and generate the prompts for the images. 2. Below the script, copy and paste this prompt. You can grab the prompt in the description. Hit submit and ChatGPT will generate the prompts for the images and their animations. Now copy the first image prompt and head to Ideogram. 3. Go to Ideogram AI. 4. Sign up if you have no account yet, or sign in if you already have an account. Ideogram gives free credit for image generations. You can pay for a plan if you want faster generation. 5. Copy and paste the prompt you copies from ChatGPT. Hit generate and Ideogram will generate 4 images for you within seconds. Choose the image you like and download it to your PC. Isn't that cool? Repeat same process till you have generated all the stick figure images required for your script. Now that we have the stick figure images, let's move to the most exciting part, animations. Step 4. Creating the stick figure animation via Hailuo AI. Now, let's bring our stick figure images to life with animations in Hailuo AI. 1. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt. 2. Then head to Hailuo AI website, sign in or sign up. 3. Select the image to video canvas. 4. Drag your stick figure image into the canvas. 5. Paste the animation prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the input box provided. 6. Hit submit and within seconds or a few minutes, your image is animated. Just like that, the image you uploaded has turned into a video. That is so cool. 7. Download the video. Now that we have the stick figure images animated, it's time to move to the final part, editing. Step 5. Editing in CapCut. Finally, let's put everything together. 1. Open CapCut and create a new project. 2. Upload all your media into CapCut, the video and the voiceover audio. You can upload the images in the case you are combining both images and videos. 3. Drag the video into the CapCut timeline. 4. Select 1920 by 1080 pixels, as we are doing YouTube long format. Of course, you can select vertical format if it's what you're doing. 5. Drag your voiceover into the timeline. Ensure the voiceover length matches the stick figure scenes. Add background music. This is optional, only use if you need to. You can generate audio from Suno AI, YouTube audio library, or even the free ones available in CapCut. Please ensure you are using only royalty-free music. And that's it. Your video is ready to download and upload to YouTube. So, as you just saw, creating stick figure videos is way easier than most people think. And if you follow these steps, you can start your own stick figure YouTube channel today. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now go make your first stick figure video. I'm rooting for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.